If your faith is broken, if your heart is broken, if your trust is broken, if your conviction is broken, why can't you run to God? He is still able and powerful to do all things, even more than you've asked or imagined. You don't even believe in humanity. Again, I want you to know that things can still get better again when you trust in the Lord. He is able. Hallelujah, somebody. If God did not heal your broken heart, there can be never be a move of God in your life.
Jesus, I can no longer.
Right?
My
No move
child,
of God will
don't
land
give up.
in your heart
I am there for
if
you.
your heart is broken. There is a lot of people will be experiencing, breakthrough, will be experiencing healing, lot of testimonies and so many things like that. But when your heart is still broken, that place cannot, contain God. That heart that is broken, God cannot dwell in that kind of a place. And that is why you should run back to Him, right? And be restored. Now, the enemy